Hey collectors, welcome back. In this episode, let's check out the all-new upcoming 2025 mixed G-Case cars. A super thanks to Ministry of Diecast YouTube channel for sharing these pics. You can check out a complete unboxing episode of this case on his channel. Check out the links in the description. So our first car is a super treasure hunt for this case. Has a Porsche 911 Rallye. And the regular treasure hunt for mixed G-Case is a birthday burner. A Mclaren W1. A 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. A Chevy El Camino. A 1967 Shelby GT 500S. A 1983 Chevy Silverado. A 1969 Mercury Cyclone. A Nissan Skyline GTR BC NR33. A Mazda MX-5 Miata. A Datsun 240Z. A DMC DeLorean. A Big Air Bel Air. A Ford Model A Custom 31. A Purple Passion. A Small Block. a Amaru GTC. A Batmobile. A regular version of a Porsche 911 Rallye. And a Honda CB750 Cafe. Now let's check out some loose cars from a 2025 mixed G case. So here are some new upcoming mainline cars for an upcoming cases. So let's check them out. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And also don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.